Guys, Kaspa is crashing and a lot of people are really fearing as of this moment. In this video, I'm going to be telling you whether or not you guys should be worried or whether this is just a small breakdown before we move towards the upside. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be covering Kaspa once again. I'm going to be covering the latest news regarding the project. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Anyways, now without further ado, let's begin with the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade signals which have helped me achieve a lot of profits in the past years. As you can see, just like this position right over here, this is how a position is basically posted. First of all, I mentioned what type of position I'm taking, then I mentioned the risk factor, the token I am trading, the amount of leverage which we should be using, the entry points and the target prices, or say the take profit levels where you guys should be exiting and taking your profits at. We have been really profitable in my group and we have multiple members who are making over $10,000 as of right now simply by following my trade signals. These are the screenshots of some of the latest trades inside my group. I'm giving you the sneak peek so that you guys know what you are signing up for. As you can see, we closed a trade with a profit of 254%, and right over here, as you can see, just yesterday we closed this trade with a profit of about 521%. This was the biggest trade up to date, but I plan to do these type of trades again and again so that you guys can keep on tracking up those gains. So if you guys are interested in making similar profits and gains for yourself, make sure you guys join my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Once you join my group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto markets and are making some huge money from the space as well. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to Kaspa and let me first show you the charts. So guys, as of right now, as you can see, Kaspa is trading at a pretty important level, and this is what this blue line is supposed to say. Now, I had told you guys that if Kaspa drops towards the downside, which was highly likely, Kaspa is going to be finding support at this line, blue line right over here. This is what is exactly happening as of this moment. We are testing this blue line as of right now, and I do believe anything can happen for Kaspa as of this very moment. I still believe that the most likely outcome for Kaspa is going to be towards the upside, and this is just a short-term downtrend before we push towards the upside. My next targets for Kaspa are somewhere around 0.080, and it goes all the way to about 0.10, which is about a 137% move towards the upside. Kaspa is very close to its all-time highs, and right now I believe Kaspa is witnessing some sort of difficulty in moving past its all-time high at a price of about 0.052. However, once Kaspa finds its momentum, I'm sure that Kaspa is going to be pushing towards the upside just like it always has in the past, in the longest time now. It is also a really good time to open a long position in Kaspa. However, guys, be on the lookout that this is going to be really risky, because if Kaspa decides to drop towards the downside, a lot of people are going to be getting wiped away. So make sure you guys are on the lookout and only do those trades which you guys feel comfortable with, and don't work on news and other sorts of stuff. The news which I wanted to cover is that from Kaspa Enthusiast, we are on Twitter right now. You can see he tells us Kaspa made it. Kaspa's hash rate is going above and beyond. And if you check out this chart right over here, you can see that Kaspa's network hash rate has been moving towards the upside for the longest time now. And whenever the hash rate development is so good, the project should also be pushing the same way towards the upside. This is what I believe is going to be happening with Kaspa as well, even though the chart is not reflecting this, but things are happening really good in favor of Kaspa, and it's only in due time we are going to be seeing those massive rallies towards the upside. Another thing which I want to cover in my video is that a lot of people are saying that Kaspa is down by roughly 5% on the day and it is not going to be recovering back. But guys, these are going to be the same people who are going to be buying Kaspa from your hands once Kaspa reaches zero point 0.1 or even go beyond that. So make sure you guys are on the lookout, and don't really be troubled about seeing your portfolio down, because if you guys are invested at the right moments, you should be up a significant amount, even though Kaspa has taken a huge hit in the recent times. Now, I am already up by about 9x on my Kaspa investment, so I'm not really troubled about Kaspa falling like 5, 10, or even 20%. But this is what happens with altcoins, and this is what you guys have signed up if you guys have decided to invest into Kaspa as an altcoin. Another thing which I want to cover on my video is going to be from Marwan. He's a crypto analyst which I personally like to follow, and he is basically outlining the same outline which I have drawn right over here. Kaspa is currently on that important resistance level, and it's going to be tough to say how the price is going to be reacting. Some people are saying Kaspa is going to be moving towards the upside, while on YouTube, if you guys check out, most of the videos say that Kaspa is going to be falling towards the downside. So make sure you guys are on the lookout of all the information out there, because I still believe Kaspa is a really good project for a longer term hold. Even though the price is falling down as of right now, I'm not really concerned about this, because my targets for Kaspa are pretty high, and a difference from 0.05 to 0.04, which is only of about 20%, is not going to be making me feel any sort of broke. Now, another thing which I want to cover on my channel is going to be from Kaspa News, and he says Kaspa is the only real silver. Now, basically, why he says that, and this is where a lot of principles of Kaspa come into play as well. So, Kaspa is scalable, Kaspa is secure, Kaspa is decentralized, Kaspa is fair launched, Kaspa is fast, Kaspa is portable, and Kaspa is transparent. This is what you guys should be looking forward to if you guys have decided to invest into any sort of cryptocurrencies as of this moment. I don't really believe that a project can succeed if it does not have these 6 principles which Kaspa is basically forming. So Kaspa has the fastest transactions. This is a real must. Kaspa also has instant confirmations. So this just tells us that once you place a transaction, it's not going to be taking you like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 5 minutes for your transactions to be confirmed. It's going to be confirmed instantly. Kaspa is following the block DAG protocol, which is really good, and it is meant for the future. It is much and far superior than what Bitcoin and Ethereum are following as of this moment. Kaspa is also secure, which is another thing which all of these decentralized cryptocurrency tokens are unable to offer. Kaspa is scalable, so you can scale it to infinity, which is something which Bitcoin and Ethereum were really good on, and that was the major aspect on why they got such a high market cap in the first place. Kaspa is also following an efficient proof of work mechanism, which is again really good. Ethereum recently shifted from proof of work to proof of stake. So this just shows you that it is really scalable, it is really secure. Plus, on top of this, you guys are also going to be getting instant confirmation, fastest transactions, which is really good news for all the investors out there. So Kaspa gets praise from top 10 crypto projects among countless others in top 50. Even Ethereum used the Ghost protocol, which was created in 2013 by Jonathan, whatever his name is. So Kaspa is the product of 10 years of plus work in scaling Bitcoin. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. A lot of really good people have really bullish things to say about Kaspa, and I believe this is only going to be getting even further as we go deep into the markets as well. Many years of research have contributed to what Kaspa has achieved. Here's the Bitcoin account tweeting about work done by Kaspa founders in 2014. So Dr. Aviv Zohar, accelerating Bitcoin, fast money grows on trees. Aviv Zohar is really influential person on the Kaspa team, and I really believe this is something and a step in the right direction. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.